Hello, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we're gonna make a background of Emerald City. So the materials that we needed are acrylic paint, paintbrush, pencil, scissor, glue, and cardboard. So let's start. To make the bond paper or the computer paper longer, I'm gonna start gluing from the edges. So right after you're done by gluing it, I'm gonna use the one vanishing point. I'm gonna use the vanishing point here, especially when you are doing perspective. And I'm gonna start to make a line without a ruler. I lost my ruler once again, but don't worry, just a sketch. And I'm gonna sketch the Emerald City right here. I found this on the internet. Make sure that your sketches are smaller. Sketching here, we'll see. This is just my idea on how I see Emerald City. Keep sketching it right here. And another color. Smaller building here. And right after you're done, you can start to sketch the zigzag line or the yellow brick road. Everyone knows how to follow the yellow brick road, isn't it? Okay, until it becomes bigger right here. And sketch another one. Here and if you want to, you can add some another sketch of mountain here. Oops. And we're gonna paint the grasses right here. So I'm gonna start to paint the Emerald City first, or the building first, with a mixture of green and white. Paint it right here. Oh, we're gonna darker so you can see it in the painting. So keep using the straight lines to roll. Keep it down here. And keep going with a straight line roll. Okay, once you're done, and we can proceed to the yellow brick road. For the yellow brick road, I'm gonna use the golden yellow one, and I'm gonna mix it with the white acrylic paint. straight line stroke, guys. Don't forget to use the straight line stroke. This will make your artwork more convincing and really easy to paint. Keep painting on the other side. Make sure that you can cover those spots of the pencil. Don't be afraid to paint it here. And in the middle, and start with the highlight. Okay, so once you're done doing the yellow brick road, we're gonna use the black acrylic paint or the black acrylic paint later, because for the detail of the yellow brick road. However, while letting it dry, we can proceed to the grasses right here and of course the flower. For the grasses, I'm gonna use the darker green, the darker acrylic paint, and I'm gonna use the straight line stroke upwards like this. Easy, right? Make sure you fill all the gaps. Make sure it fades when you stroke it out. And you can add the golden yellow acrylic paint for more details. Don't forget to fill the white gaps so it will more look convincing right after all. Use the straight line stroke upward, or you can try the stroke. And again, don't forget to fill all those gaps. Carefully brush it. It's okay if there's some piece of grass right here. Don't worry. It will look more convincing after all. And when we are done, we can proceed to the other side. And we start right here. Keep going. Or once again, you can try another stroke. And keep brushing. It's okay if you're gonna exceed through the gaps. Trust me guys, you will look more convincing. Don't be afraid. Keep painting on the outside. And the outside, feel the white gaps. I've just figured it out today. But anyways, keep going guys. Okay, once you're done, we're gonna let it dry for a while. While we are letting it dry, we can proceed to the other background, the sky background with the mountain. And for the sky background, I think the blue sky background is perfect. So I'm gonna use dark blue, the Blake blue, and the white. So carefully wash. Use the straight line stroke once again. And carefully when you're here at the building. Carefully. Water, the one that feels clean. It's pretty dark right here. And I'm gonna apply right here to the other side. I'm gonna apply the light blue acrylic paint carefully, not to strike the building. And for the mountain background, I'm gonna use the brown acrylic paint and I'm gonna mix it with the golden yellow. Okay, once we're done, we can add the white acrylic paint to some other right here for the details, for the flower. This laser right here, shade of flower. And for the yellow brick road, I think when you use the brown acrylic paint, it would be better. So let's do the yellow brick road. Yes. Okay, keep following the line. We're gonna start by having a line. Don't worry, it was easy as you can see. Just be focused on stroking the line. Once you're done, you're gonna apply the downward line right here. And make sure the screw fully alternate. Here. And here. And right after you're done with the line, we're gonna give it an outline right here to give the full space. We're gonna give an highlight of the yellow brick road. Okay, while we are waiting for it to dry, we're going to cut strips of paper right here. We're gonna put the strips of paper in the back to make it more firmer and it will make it more strong. Dry, you can flip it back because we're going to put some cardstock. I already cut some cardstock here. So we're going to glue this out, glue this right here, and to the other side until it heals. And we're gonna glue this back. will make the background more stronger instead. Right here. And we will let it dry for a while. And voila! You're done! Well guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and of course you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and we will see you next time to our next video. Your Emerald City with a yellow brick road is already done, so we will see you next time. Bye!